All right, so we were dispatched a call here where it says leaky faucet was causing a little bit of water damage. Plumber arrived. Plumber saw the location and said, ma'am, can't do this job because it's full of mold. Get the mold cleaned up first, then I'll work on the plumbing. So we're about to go in right now, check and see what this job's all about. That's a great thing about Twin Home Experts. We've got the C36 plumbing license, so we can wrap everything into one call where we take care of the plumbing and the mold and the damage as well. So let's go check out this call. It's be interesting. All right, so the client Nancy said, hey, I'm not the neatest person. In fact, I'm the laziest person. I don't keep my home clean, so excuse the mess. So I have no idea how to take that. These calls are always interesting, so let's go ahead and knock on the door and see what we can come up with. So you've got a leak, huh?
Well, I have a faucet, a hot water faucet that will not shut off.
Shut off, okay. You said you had a plumber come out?
I had a plumber come out.
Okay.
And he took a look at it.
Okay.
And it needs to be fixed underneath the sink. Unfortunately, it's been leaking under the sink and there's a lot of mold. So he won't touch it.
He won't touch it. Okay.
He won't touch it. He told me I had to call someone like you to get a remediation with the mold.
Okay.
Before he could do any work.
You got it. Okay.
And
oh,
so
yeah.
this is the problem
here. I get it. Yeah, okay. So how long has this been running?
Since this morning.
Okay.
I stopped working this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, and so see, he went down in here.
Oh, yeah.
And he was like, no way, can't do it.
Well, I think what we could do for you, Nancy, is we'll go ahead and shut the water off. It looks like the angle stop, hot side or the cold side will probably have to be replaced.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I want.
And then we'll use our rapid mold removal agent, and we'll just get it a good, as clean as possible.
Oh, good.
And get you back up and running.
Good. So you're going to do the both of it?
I'll do everything.
Wow. Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Yes.
So Nancy, where's the shut-off valve so I can begin to shut everything off?
Yeah, let me show you. It's outside.
Okay. Is it down here?
It's in the patio.
Okay.
You have a water closet or a water heater closet. See, it's that orange.
Oh, perfect.
Valve right there. If you can climb over the.
Yep, I'll climb over this here.
Sorry
Got a box here.
I forget which way it goes.
Oh, that way right there.
That's the way.
So that's off. Yep, so we've got the water off for right now. So if you do have a leak like that, folks, the first thing you could do is you can go in and get to your main, get to your water heater, shut those valves off, and that'll neutralize any type of leaks. So the mold spores can only go to this point here.
Okay.
And when you're doing mold spores, guys, typically you cover all HVAC vents like this. And anytime you have a room that is impacted, again, Nancy doesn't care. She obviously has some cats, and so the mold spores at this point with the carpet, the way it is, it doesn't matter at this point. So the customer's not feeling any effects of any type of mold, sickness. And you can see that that's all cat defecation there. All cat. Wow. I mean, everybody lives differently, but it's amazing to me how somebody can literally breathe in that type of environment. That is, again, there's no judgment here. It just, it's pretty intense for me. So we're gonna go ahead and get her taken care of. I got our guys coming right now to get the supply line. So see what we can do to get her taken care of. Obviously, she's not worried about the mold, guys. So we're not gonna be doing our critical barrier, air scrubbers, things like that. And this type of environment, as you can see, it really doesn't matter. So we're gonna get her plumbing leak fixed. We're gonna spray some of our Twin rapid mold removal agent, get some biofilm removed, be on our way. All right, we're gonna go ahead and lay our blanket on the carpet so we can do some work here. And lay some plastic here so we can work under here. Okay, now see all that black mold? So we're gonna go ahead and let's do the hot side because we know that that's the leaky one, okay? All right, so we've got the new angle stop on the hot side completely replaced. So now we're gonna go turn the water back on and make sure we don't have any leaks. Anytime you turn the water on, you wanna turn it on really slow. You never wanna turn it on abruptly, of course. I have it about a quarter open right now. Let's go check and make sure everything's okay with Chris. Chris, are we okay? So far, so good? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll turn it on a little bit more now. So far, so good. All right, all the way on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and spray our Spin Home Rapid Mold Removal Agent here. Really decontaminate this. Yeah, move that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let that sit. And that'll start eating the biofilm there. Okay, let's go ahead and close that, Chris. And we'll let that sit. Good. Okay, we'll spray here. Go ahead and spray around there, Chris. Good. Go ahead and wipe that.
You have to let it sit.
Yeah, that's just really, not really mold, it's more of just cat. That's actually cat feces right there that they've been on top. So we'll just let that sit for a while. And let's check underneath and see how we're doing with the, starting to, oh yeah. Starting to really attack that biofilm there, see that? And we'll add a little bit more down here. Okay, Nancy.
Jim, let me take a look. What have you done?
So we've got some of the...
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, isn't that better right there? And
Yeah,
then look at the mold. It's still reacting, but look at how much better that is
Oh
underneath.
yes, that is wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh.
So when
So that's all gonna. It just takes its time.
it takes its time,
eventually.
and, yeah. Well, we're gonna wipe that down as a last.
Oh,
Chris is coming right back to get this little waste pipe done, and then.
Yeah.
But we're done. We got you taken care of.
Got it. Oh, it looks great. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. It's a pleasure working with you, Nancy.
Thank you.
All righty. Bye bye now. Headed to the next emergency.
Okay.